Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to do a short review of the Corsair Carbide SPEC 05 PC case. It's basically a cheap case in low price range. It costs around 50 euros or about $60, and some of the problems that this case has is only one vent. So if you are planning to buy this case, you need to buy additional at least 2 fans, but that is not a huge, it's not a huge problem, because you can buy a fans for about $5 each. So there is a lot of space in the case. There is a space for the 3.5 inch HDD. There is enough room for the ATX motherboard and even for the water cooling system. At front you can put 2 140mm fans, or if you remove the socket for the HDD, you can put 3 120mm fans. There is plenty of room for the GPU, because the case is like really wide. The other issue is that there is no tempered glass, so basically you get acrylic panel. So you know that you can like easily scratch that, but on the other hand, it's less more chance that you will break it. The other thing that I don't like is the screws on the side panel, and the one good thing is that you can see the power supply. So if you have like power supply with LED lights, this is the case for you. You can remove the front panel, and basically it has a good cable management system from the behind. You will be able to put all of the cables in order. Below the case there is a small dust filter just beneath the power supply, and it's easily removable, so you can clean the dust easily. This is a pretty good looking PC case, you know. It's not like a lot of RGB lights, but if you put additional RGB fans inside, and it will look really good, you know. It's pretty good looking case, I must say. Another good thing is that you don't have to break this back panel. You can remove every single piece with a screw. overall this is a solid product, you know, this solid case. Probably for a budget build, but you know, you will get a lot. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad, and you'll be happy with it. Thanks for watching, and give us a like and comment if you have this case and tell us what you think about it. Thank you, see you in the next video.